I'm gonna give you your money, please. I'm gonna give you your money and you take the car. Please, I'm gonna give you the money. You don't want your car? Yeah, but I'm gonna give you the money. I'm gonna give you your money, seriously.
Where is the money?
The money is...
Why did you take the money?
Wait. I'm gonna give you the money back.
Where is my mother's money?
No, bro, don't kill me.
How much did you take? How much did you take?
Yeah, it's like this.
300,000.
Yes, you see?
300,000.
Yeah.
Why did you take this money?
No, don't kill me. I give you money. I'm gonna give you money.
You're not going to kill
me. No, I'm gonna give you money.
Take it to your car, you go, some.
No, I'm gonna give you money.
We're not gonna kill you.
Wait. I'm gonna give you. Don't take me to police. I'm gonna give you your money.
Don't take you to the police. Why?
Ono bamutta bubi. Netusabe Mukama Katonda amutuwere ekyummulo ekyemirembe. Munnayuganda ono teyanyakula ssente nti oba yasanga omuntu ng'alina ssente ze n'azinyakula nedda wabula bakuyita kufera. Mbu yali akola busawo obw'ekinnansi South Africa n'agenda n'asawula oba n'afera omukyala omukadde. Bwe yafera omukyala n'ategeezaako batabani be ne batandika okuyigga omusawo oyo ow'ekinnansi omufere era ne bamukwata mu kumukwata ne bamukola ekyo. Naye ate ekintu ekyembi omuvubuka ono baali babiri era bonna nga bannayuganda. Kati bwe bamala okukwasaganya ssente oli ye n'abuukirawo n'alinnya n'agenda e Uganda. Kati ye kwe kuwona ono munne era nga bw'omanyi aganaafa. Kakati munnaye ne bamukwata era nga bamulaajanyizza baamaliriza bamusse. Mukama Katonda amutuwere ekyummulo ekyemirembe. Ndowooza munnaffe wuuyo mumulabye. Wuuyo ndowooza mumulabye bamulaajanyizza bamusibyemu omusipi mu bulago kwegamba kalasi. Abavubuka mubeere beegendereza.
I'm gonna give you your money, please. I'm gonna give you your money and you take the car. Please, I'm gonna give you the money. You don't want your car? Yeah, but I'm gonna give you the money. I'm gonna give you your money, seriously.
Where is the money?
The money is...
Why did you take the money?
Wait. I'm gonna give you the money back.
Where is my mother's money?
No, bro, don't kill me.
How much did you take? How much did you take?
Yeah, it's like this.
300,000.
Yes, you see?
300,000.
Yeah.
Why did you take this money?
No, don't kill me. I give you money. I'm gonna give you money.
You're not going to kill
No, I'm gonna give you money.
Take it to your car, you go, some.
No, I'm gonna give you money.
We're not gonna kill you. We're taking you to the police.
Wait. I'm gonna give you. Don't take me to police. I'm gonna give you your money.
Don't take you to the police. Why?